Every game you ever played started like this, a blank screen and someone who decided to figure it out. I'm Mark and this is Game Dev Journey, and in this series we are building a complete top-down shooter in a Unreal Engine 5 from absolute zero. So no template, no shortcut, just us building every system one piece at a time. And this, guys, is chapter 1, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's open the browser and search for Epic Games Store. Now, as you can see, you will find the official, site. It's very important that it is official, okay? So store.epicgames.com. If you want, you can search for the link in the description if you need. Okay, so you can install your Epic Games Store on Windows, macOS, Android, something like that. But Unreal Engine works very well on Windows PC, so remember this. Okay, if everything is correct, you will find this application, okay, Epic Games Store, and in this section you will find Unreal Engine. And in your library you will find your engine versions. Here you will find also my project, your projects, install your version. Now, I have the latest, I think, it's 5.7.4, but if you want, maybe you have a not so powerful, not so great PC, try to search for other versions, okay? After the installation is over, you can launch your engine. And so after sometimes you are here in your Unreal Engine editor. Now, this UI has changed so much in the last times, in the last month, so maybe you don't have this UI, it's not a problem, okay? So search for this folder is my projects, okay, so you can search your incredible project. And if you want to create a new project, it's simply this button, okay, new project, and it opens this window with everything you need to create a new project. Now, of course, we choose games, and in this case I don't want to use templates, I don't want to use shortcuts, I want to use a blank, okay, blank project. So let's search and click blank. I choose Blueprint because it's more easy to understand it and it's very fast to learn Unreal Engine 5 with blueprints, okay? But you must know that C++ is more efficient and it's used in all the great games that you played every single day, maybe, or week. So it's important to know that there is this C++, but for now, Blueprints is great, okay? As a beginner, it's great. Oh, target platform, desktop, go very well, and quality preset, I choose Scalable, okay? Because it's more efficient for maybe a not so powerful PC. The project name, I choose a simple, so top-down shooter, go very well, and last but not least, create. Okay, so now that everything is created, we are in Unreal Engine 5. Okay, so there are many different information here, so let's check one single thing at a time. So the first thing you see here is the viewport. As you can see, there is viewport 1 and you can create some viewports. Now a viewport is like a window to the level, okay? You can see what is in your scene, what is in your level, and you can navigate. How to navigate? Simple. Use W, A, S, and D, okay? Like all FPS or many different games. So with this you can move, and also with the middle wheel of your mouse you can zoom or not. You can see there is a parameter here with the velocity or the speed of our zoom, okay? Manipulate the speed with your wheel of the mouse, okay? But of course, there are some objects here. What is this? All the objects in Unreal Engine 5 are called actor, okay? So an actor is an object in Unreal Engine 5. But of course, there are not only actors, because there are also different things that are more specific about one aspect, okay? So here you can see the directional light. As you can see also, so the directional light, it's like the sun, so you can move it, as you can see, if I choose here, okay, I simply rotate the directional light and I will recreate the effect of like the sun or something like that. So as you can see, it's like day or night. Now, what is this? Okay, so these arrows, and so what is that? These are simple way to move, rotate and scale your actor, your objects, or all the things in your scene, okay? And also in your level. In this case, we have a casual map, okay? It's a map created from the engine, but you can create a custom map. Now, if you click on something and press W, okay, you can, as you can see, select and translate object. So you can move like that or like that, okay? It's very easy. Now, if you want, you can also rotate. So we can use our exponential 8 fog, that is of course the fog, and so we can rotate, okay, in all the direction, and also scale, okay? So for an example, I will create an actor, okay? So click this little plus, and now in shapes you can see a cube, okay? And so we can move the cube, we can rotate the cube, and we can also scale the cube, maybe in the middle to scale everything, okay, in all dimensions. Otherwise, maybe you want to scale in the epsilon, or maybe at the x, something like that, okay? So in this way you can manipulate all your actors or the objects in the scene. This is all the catalog of objects in the scene, in this level, okay? Only in this level. And also for every single actor that you have selected, there is a detail section, okay? So in this case we can see cube that has a static mesh component, that is another thing, okay? And so here there are all the other things. Also here you can see there is the transform section. So basically, if you don't want to use this little arrow, okay, you can manipulate this or maybe scale a little bit. But if you want to search for every different things in your level, but not only in your level, in your entire game, there is a content drawer that is basically a library, okay? As all the things that you have created or you have imported. So as you can see in the content, you will find out anything because it's blank, but we can create some folders, for example, because organization is very important. So let's create some folders. The first one is blueprints, okay? So it will contain our blueprints. The second one is maps, okay? So this folder is for our levels. And another one can be animations. Another one meshes. Another one, it's always like that. Maybe another one that is more important than other is UI. So you can organize everything in a simple and easy way. And so in this way you have seen everything, okay, in this little screen. But of course there is another one thing that is very important, okay? And so you must go in the edit and in your project settings. Now these are the settings of your project, only your project and this single project, not the entire engine. And so here you can choose your default map, maybe, if you want to create another level. Or you can choose your mode, the game mode base in this case. You can set up your multiplayer, but every different things. Okay, so I think the last thing to do for this video is a little bit long, sorry for that, is to create a level, okay? So you can start from the scratch. Now, to create a level, okay, let's go in File and choose this new level. I choose Basic, okay, we don't want an open world. So let's create. Save selected, always save a lot, in reality it's so important. And we choose as our folder the maps, okay? I maybe call it level underscore test, okay? So it's saving. And so after some times you will create an incredible level. Okay, we have this new level that is saved here. So if you go to map, you can see level test is this. Okay, so guys, these of course are only the basics. Okay, there is a world out there with all the information you need, but with this video I hope you understand some important things of the Unreal Engine. I hope this video is helpful in some ways, so let me know in the comments if it was helpful, if I can improve something, please. And if you want an exercise, I recommend to create some objects and put some object in the scene, as I created the cube some minutes ago, and try by yourself. And if you have some problems, let me know. Bye bye guys.